Welcome to a new critical module focused on professional Python development practices, virtual environments. Up until now, we've relied on your system's main Python installation. This module will teach you why that approach is dangerous for real-world projects and how to isolate your dependencies safely. 1. Why virtual environments are essential. The core issue is dependency conflicts. Project A might require a library, say Pandas version 1.0, while Project B requires Pandas version 2.0. If both projects share the same system environment, installing the requirements for one project can break the other. A virtual environment solves this by creating an isolated, self-contained Python installation for each project. 2. Creating the environment. Python comes with a built-in module called venv. To create a virtual environment, you execute the command python 3-mven, followed by the name you choose for the environment folder. We call ours myproject.env. This command copies a minimal Python installation into that new folder. Three. Activating the environment. Creating it is only the first step. To start using the isolated environment, you must activate it. Activation means running a script inside the environments folder. The exact command depends on your operating system, but typically it involves sourcing the activate script. Once activated, your terminal prompt will change to show the environment's name. For deactivating. When you finish working on a project, you simply type the command deactivate. This exits the virtual environment and returns you to your main system's Python installation. To summarize, always use a virtual environment for every Python project to ensure clean, reproducible dependency management. Our next lecture is a new module, 34.01, Introduction to Unit Testing. See you there.